How to fix some websites not loading or not opening in any web browser. First thing that you need to check is your network connection. Go to More Wi-Fi Settings. In your Wi-Fi settings, click on Show Available Networks. Click on the eye icon on the right section of your network that you are connected to. Here you can check all the information about your network. If you think that your network is not strong enough, then try forgetting the network and re-adding the same network or a different one. Now open any of your preferred web browser and tap on the three-dot icon at the top right corner and select Settings. From the left panel, select the option Privacy and Security. Under Privacy and Security, click on Delete Browsing Data. Click on Time Range at the top and select All Time. Now tap on the option Delete Data. Another thing that you can do is to check for your extensions. Open another tab and tap on the three-dot icon again. Now find the option Extensions from this panel. Then click on the option Manage Extensions. If you have a lot of extensions right here, then you can remove unnecessary ones right here. Sometimes a lot of extensions can lag your browser. If you're using Windows, then open Command Prompt. In your command prompt, type in ipconfig /flush DNS. Press enter to check DNS and flush DNS cache. That's all for today. Thank you.